should have never sit with that.
Yeah. They were waiting for a 6-pounder.
So there you go. Snug as a bug in a
good?
rug. And now if you wanted to cover her, you could.
It's in the diaper bag. You're carrying the diaper bag.
This one. Here, Matt.
She is a bit of a drama queen.
We have another one in the family, so yeah.
Wow. And you know, as mad as she is, she'll learn to love this. You'll be at the point where you're like, oh, just put her in the car. Or put her in the car seat and say, I'm going to wash her or something.
Here's a strong cry. I haven't heard that one before.
Actually, that was this morning. Matt was trying to sleep this morning. Heather was in the bathroom like, she is not coming down. Okay. I'm going to try to carry it. When you send it into the bed, make sure you put it back down towards the front of the car. But I'm going to walk with you. Say if you're carrying her and rocking her, she'll calm down. Has she eaten again?
I'm sorry?
Has she eaten again?
No, I need to nurse her.
Okay. You got everything out of the bathroom that you wanted? Everything out of the crib? Okay.
I've got your diaper bag, and we'll push the cart. Okay? All right, Charlie, can you push the cart?
You bet.